Oh, sorry.
Well, the casual observer might notice a few babies here climbing to the top of this TV tower. Once again, I am near the Žižkov TV tower. If you've seen any of my previous videos about Prague, then it would have featured. And this would be the starting point for us today for our ride from Prague to Litomerice. About 100k, and probably with a strong headwind, so well, it's going to be a tough day, I think, but well, hopefully a nice one. From Prague we will be going to Melnik. I made a video about Melnik as well last year, but that was in winter time. I think it was February last year, 2 degrees, so it's about 18 degrees warmer now, a lot better. Melnik is where the Moldau river that flows through Prague and obviously the Elbe river that we're sort of following come together, so yeah, that will be nice to see again, and this time in summertime. Yeah, I think that's it for now for us from Prague, so hope to see you along the way. Cheers, bye. Nice cycle bridge. Oh. Wow. Well, I say these palm trees are a bit out of place here, but look at this place, wow. I think it's called zamek, but obviously I'll have to look it up. Very nice. Not so nice is the weather. It keeps on changing on us, and the prognosis was rain to be had at 5 o'clock. It's now 1, but it seems like rain is catching up with us. So hopefully we can get to Melnik before well, we face some rain, and then yeah, take shelter. Well, talk to you later. Dark clouds are looming over us. have been all day long, but so far we've dodged the rains. So fingers crossed and everything else. Right, look at this. First glimpse at Melnik. Right, that means that I think coffee is brewing for us. See you in Melnik. Well, this to me is very funny. I'm standing at the exact same location as I was standing about 15 months ago. Yeah, but the weather's quite a bit better now, so to see if I can launch the drone so you can have a nice shot at Melnik. Unfortunately, the sun has taken a little hide. That's a shame, but oh well. Alright, see you later. Here we are again, Melnik. So this down there is the Elbe or Labe, so that will be the Moldau, the Veltrusy, and on the left, well, you can't really see it, but that is the Elbe. So we're heading down, well, I would say downtown, but it's actually uptown Melnik for a coffee, and then should be following that way again. All right, see you later. We are here in Sitov. Just waited for rain clouds to go away, and they did. So we're now on our way to Roudnice and then hopefully Litomerice, and hopefully in the dry. So fingers crossed. Looney. Believe it or not, this is an official cycle path again. So here you have it. This is cycle route 3102, and it looks like this. On the flip side, it is super quiet, so that's good. Oh well, long day in the saddle, but a beautiful one. More later. Well, 20k to go. Wish us luck. Well, that's the Elbe over there. And those mountains over there depict the border between Germany and Czech Republic, I think. Well, sort of. So we are about, well, less than 10k I would say, away from Litomerice, our destination for today after a 100k ride. And I have to say it was really a beautiful ride, very varied landscapes, and also the surfaces, sometimes good, sometimes very bad. But yeah, made for a super nice ride. And we dodged most of the rain. We had to wait quite a bit of time to make that work, but thanks to my weatherman over there, we made it, so it was all good. And then yeah, tomorrow we have an even longer ride towards Dresden, but that should be beautiful as well, I hope. So well, we'll see you there. Yeah, for now, thanks for watching, enjoy your rides, stay safe out there, see you in the next one. Cheers, ahoy. I am not certain if we're going to make it without that downpour. That looks horrific. Oy, oy, oy. Well, that was a right downpour, eh? Oh, what a day. It's raining again. Not good.